Good morning, all. You might very well be wondering how to go about writing your public discourse analysis essay. And that's completely natural. For many of us, this isn't the sort of analysis that we've written before. Think of it like this. We're about to write a paper on whether or not social media has had a positive impact on society. Now, hopefully, that's the kind of thing that we have either written before or at least thought about before. It's a favorite for lots of other levels of English and English language arts education before this point. The difference, though, and what makes this paper unique is that we're making the determination of whether social media has had a positive or negative impact on society by looking at its portrayal of one particular issue that's important to society right now. That's the important part. And you probably noticed the number of times in your reading of the course textbook that Benjamin talks about focus as being really important, right? So our focus is going to come from grounding our analysis again and looking at the way that social media portrays one particular issue of social importance. If we find that social media has been ethical in its portrayal of the topic, what that would mean is that social media is portraying the topic in a way that helps everybody to understand it better. However, if we find that social media has been unethical in its portrayal of the topic, then what that means is that social media has portrayed that topic in a way that is likely to divide the public, one that polarizes people. It's portrayed the topic in a way that confuses people because it doesn't help anyone to understand it any better. And oftentimes that's because of the fact that the social media portrayal of that topic is actually giving two very different versions of it, depending on things like political leaning. So then, one more time, think about this paper as asking the question: has social media has it had a positive or negative impact on society? But we're making that determination specifically by looking at the way that social media portrays one particular issue that everybody's concerned with right now.